Hey guys, Chris here. Quick tutorial about crypto airdrops rewards from one of the Binance services. Tara! This feature is eligible for verified Binance user only. Now, open our Binance account. From Binance home interface, select More. Swipe up. Let's find the information category. Then, from information category, click Live or select the live. Select the streamer and join the live stream. You can comment or interact during the live. Wait for the countdown time for rewards. Habang naghihintay, pwede mo rin i-follow ang streamer. And here it goes. Tararan, taran! And I'm opening my gift packet. Ito yung literal na kumikita habang nanonood. Reminder, it may take 1 hour bago mo makita ang reward sa iyong funding wallet. Easy, right? If you found this helpful, follow for more.